Cheers. I'll go when I'm ready.
No problem.
It's publicly accessible, so...
Welcome to Cop Update. Tonight, a lone auditor walks into Havant, filming a police station and council offices, testing public access and engagement. What looks like casual sightseeing becomes a study in police public boundaries, officer discretion, and how small interactions shape public trust. We'll break the footage down, moment by moment. The video clip has been taken by the Laughing Auditor.
And I'm coming to you from this location. I'm in Hampshire, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm popping across to Havant police station just through there. And I'm going to see how we get on. I'm not entirely too sure how this one's going to go down. It's my first time in Hampshire, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to see, I'm pretty sure it's my first time in Hampshire, but we're going to see how we get on with the police here and take it from there. In the meantime, guys, if you do enjoy this video, please like it, feel free to share it, and you know what to do. Pop down, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button if you're watching on Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. I would really appreciate it, and we'll certainly see if we get any laughs out of Hampshire police today. But yeah, this here, it's a pretty decent size, so I'll leave skit about and we'll pick it back up in a second.
This opening frames intent. The auditor declares presence and purpose, part performance, part test. That upfront framing matters legally and ethically. It signals to officers that recording is intended.
So here we are, folks. Havant police station. There's not much to it than this. See it open. It's open. We've got the council buildings across the road, so I might pop across there. See what's what.
So that'd be that. Hello there.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah. How can I help?
I don't need any help, you're okay.
Okay.
Just do my nosy.
Alright then.
Alright, have a nice day, yeah?
And you.
Thank you. I got another one of these knife amnesty bins. If somebody can't make a complaint. There's some local advertising. The victim's code. So yeah, operation signature. That's fraud. Alrighty. So yeah, there's not much to see at this police station, guys. They've got a small sort of staff vehicle car park there, and their gate is right next to it, but that's pretty much it.
The crowd officer exchange is low-key but revealing. Officers triage incoming interactions constantly. Note the quick deflection and administrative language, operation signature, and fraud mention used offhand. For viewers, this moment explains institutional routines.
So, I'll get across to the council building if there's not much going on here. But we'll certainly see what is what. She was very pleasant at the front desk though.
Can I help you, fella?
Nah, I'm alright, mate. Cheers.
Okay, could you, if you want to film, could you just go back onto the public area?
No, I'm alright, thanks.
Okay, this is police station, you know that, right?
Yeah, I'm not going in.
You know, it's not this area here isn't for the public, that's all.
Doesn't say that though, does it?
Just back up to the footpath and you'll find there.
No, I'm okay here. Cheers. I'll go when I'm ready.
No problem.
It's publicly accessible, so...
Yes, it is. That doesn't mean it's a public space.
What's the batteries for?
Just for powering.
Easy as that, alright.
Okay, I'm just going to open the gate. So if you could, obviously I don't want you to get hurt, that's all.
Okay. But does it swing out the way, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, it swings out the way. Have a nice day, yeah? A big old gate.
This exchange is the central legal hinge. Filming in publicly accessible areas versus restricted zones. Officer asks the auditor to move to a public area. A polite, de-escalatory enforcement of boundary. Emphasize the subtle assertion of authority here. It's compliance testing, not confrontation.
Nine, 2, 3, 1.
See you.
Huh?
Didn't see you.
I was hiding.
You just staying there?
Yeah, pretty much, for the time being. Having a rest. You going to invite me in?
No.
Oh, I thought as much.
You have your ID.
You're right. Good job hiding his pin, did you? Hey mate, you okay?
Yeah, good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you.
How long have you been around for?
Not long.
Do you need anything for me?
Huh?
Do you need anything?
No, I'm alright.
Here we see casual human contact between civilian and officer. Small talk functioning as social smoothing. The officer checks ID and posture, a routine security step that simultaneously reassures and asserts control. For viewers, it normalizes frontline checks.
Yeah. Why are you not in uniform? Like, why are you not in full uniform?
I've been on a search today. So
Have you? What were you searching for?
I can't tell you. To be
No.
honest with you.
Was it bad things?
No, not necessarily.
Not necessarily. Right, okay, fair enough. Well, I hope you found what you were looking for.
Not a lot. So,
No.
No.
Alright, fair enough.
But I'm assuming I'm driving back out short as well.
Aye, yeah.
I'm driving.
Alright, mate. Have a good one, yeah? Take it easy. Ah, nice chap. Understandable he can't tell me what he was looking for. You know, wasn't expecting him to spill the beans, but I was hoping he was going to say I was drug search. Yeah, I was like, and I says thank you. You know, get that stuff off the streets. Probably missing persons or something. Maybe a fugitive. Who knows? Huh? Yeah, it's got a mind of its own, I've noticed. He broke the gate.
This portion underlines operational secrecy. Officers often withhold tactical details for safety or privacy. The auditor's curiosity probes boundaries of disclosure. The refusal to elaborate is routine and lawful. Use this moment to discuss why limited transparency sometimes protects investigations, but also how it can frustrate public expectations. Soft, impartial tone.
Yeah. Oh, jeez, no, knocked the building down there. It's not closing. It's broken. Knew there was something wrong with it. Thought surely not me setting it off. Right, folks, I think I'm gonna have a wee look around the council. Soon I will. A wee nosy down here. Sure it is the council office. Public Service Plaza. What's that? I'm hearing it. Have success with Havant. Something smells good. It's not chili con carne or something.
The tone lightens as the auditor jokes about nearly breaking the door, a rare humanizing moment in these tense encounters. His shift toward the nearby council offices signals curiosity and persistence. Beneath the humor, there's intent, exploring how open and transparent local authorities truly are.
A free legal clinic here to help you and your children. Care proceedings, emergency protection orders, and police powers of protection, adoption, special guardianship orders. So it's all for kids. Use computers are free to use if you follow these rules. Don't get inappropriate content. Don't send inappropriate content. Don't change computer settings. Don't break the law. Guard your personal details. What have we got on there? Got loads of stuff. Of Wi-Fi at the plaza. Guys, take my picture. Which I don't have an issue with, but it means it's fair game.
Hiya.
Hello.
You filming that, eh?
Yes.
What are you filming?
Just the council.
Oh, is there a reason? Any particular reason?
No, it's 'cause I want to.
Okay.
What's the issue?
It's just that you were round by the nursery, and
I didn't film the nursery.
somebody.
I didn't film the nursery. You're okay.
Okay.
Alright, my friend, have a nice day, yeah?
You do.
Easy as that, guys.
Now the scene shifts to civic space, the council's signage and a free legal clinic notice frame public service context. When staff asks about filming near a nursery, their concern is child safety and privacy, a legitimate sensitivity. This is a textbook example of competing public interests, filming rights versus safeguarding.
Easy as that, guys. Gotta say, very impressed. All the councils could learn a thing or two by Havant. Alright folks, I'm off. I'm out of here. I'm done. Mission accomplished. Police station, smashed it. Council building.
As the encounter wraps up, the auditor reflects with satisfaction, his tone confident, even triumphant. What began as curiosity ends as validation. Polite officers, cooperative staff, and no confrontation. Yet beneath his humor lies a quiet message. Professionalism earns respect faster than authority ever can. This short encounter shows how everyday policing is negotiated in public. Simple requests, quiet refusals, and routine safety checks. The real takeaway, transparency and restraint both matter. Small interactions build trust or doubt. Watch closely next time. Procedure often lives in the gaps between words.